Amber Alert. Wait for that. Sorry, turn that on. Turn this on, okay. Jeez. Listen out for that. See what's on the news. It should be pulling up soon. Okay. Sweet. Oh, shit. Okay. Anyways, I'll worry about that later. Give me 1 second because, I don't know, it used to relay it immediately, but then I felt like after the Microsoft outage in July, it kind of got screwed up a bit, so it's kind of going to relay a little bit later. So, last time we had an Amber Alert here, it was for about 2 minutes, so that we have been recording for 2 minutes, so this should go on at any second. Actually, let me leave this here, and no, I don't want to get copyrighted anyway. Maybe after the song. Alright, I'll come back when we get these headers out. Okay, it's been like 6 minutes and no radio station. That's what tested it. I'm still gonna wait. It takes a bit sometimes. Go. Shit, what am I doing?
This program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for an abducted child. We interrupt this program to activate blonde hair. Last seen wearing a white hoodie. Russell Burris, a 27-year-old, number KJC3489. The suspect.
Pathetic.
The abducted child is Caius Burris, a 2-month-old white male with blonde hair. Last seen wearing a gray onesie. Please call 187 alert system message. The suspect is 100 Burris, a 2-month-old white male with blonde hair, last seen wearing a gray. On immediately if you see the child, the suspect, or the each, or dial 911 immediately if you see the child, the suspect, and 7. Or the suspect vehicle. This concludes the emergency alert system message.
Special.
Pathetic radio system that doesn't care about the life and safety of little kids who are getting abducted.